Do you know a word that means in or at any place? Today's word is anywhere. It's very useful for talking about places without limits. Anywhere means in or at any place, no matter where. It's a very flexible word for talking about location. A common mistake is to confuse anywhere with somewhere, which means a specific but unknown place. Remember, anywhere means any place at all. Common patterns are go anywhere, stay anywhere, find anywhere, and questions like can I sit anywhere? You can sit anywhere you like. I couldn't find my keys anywhere. Is there anywhere to eat nearby? She travels anywhere for work. Anna lost her phone and looked everywhere, but it was nowhere. Then she said, it could be anywhere. This helped her stay calm and keep searching. Think of anywhere as any plus where. Imagine pointing to the whole world and saying, anywhere means any place. Now you know anywhere. Try using it today and comment below where you would like to go anywhere.